Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can solve this equation. Alright, so what do we do? Solution. We have 1 over square root of x plus 2 equals to 5. Alright, we collect like times. We pick this plus 2 to the other side. Alright, so we have, it becomes 5 minus 2. By the time we bring this here, it crosses the equal sign. The sign will change, obviously. So 1 over square root of x equals to, this gives us 3. All right, so now 1 over square root of x is a reciprocal to 3. So the easiest way to do this is, if you have 1 over a equals to b, same thing as saying a equals to 1 over b. That is, a is reciprocal to b, or b is reciprocal to a. And that's what we are doing here. So this can be written as square root of x equals to 1 over 3. All right, that's the easiest way to express this. So what do? We square both sides. Square both sides. All right, so we square this, and we also square this. All right, so the square, we cancel the square roots. We have x equals to 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So x equals to 1 over 9. All right, so let's look at another radical equation. We have square root of 9x minus 8 equals to 8. All right, so the first thing to do is to square both sides so that the square root can disappear. Square both sides. All right, by the time we square both sides, this is what we have. You square this side and also square this side. All right, so the square cancel the square root. We have 9x minus 8 equals to square of 8. That is 8 times 8 is 64. This is 64. All right, from here, we collect like terms. We take minus 8 to the other side, and it becomes plus 8. And then we have 64 plus 8 will give us 72. Then to find x, you divide both sides by 9. 72 divided by 9. And that is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. All right, so now I want us to try this and drop our answer in the comment section. I want us to solve 4th root of x raised to power 3 equals to 16. Okay, so I want us to solve this and write our answer in the comment section. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you later.